is Miss Alba. What's your name?
My name is Benny.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 5.
And how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay, good. Let's look at this. Can you tell me about this picture?
There is a car next to the house. There are 2 boys playing badminton. There is a cat. There are many flowers. There is a man is sitting in the tree and sleeping. There is a house. There is a cat. It has a black body and sit next to the man. There is a cat sitting in the tree.
Okay, thank you so much. So let's look at this. Now, which is the piano? I'm putting the piano next to the car. Which is the elephant? Can you put the elephant between the house and the flowers? Which is the robot? Can you put the robot behind the girl? Which is the horse? Can you put the horse next to the cat? Okay, thank you. Now let's look at this. What's this?
This is a cat.
What color is it?
It's white.
How many cats are there?
There are 3 cats.
Okay. Do you like cats? Okay, so let's look at this. What's this?
This is a guitar.
Do you know how to play the guitar?
No, I don't.
What do you know? How do you know how? What instrument do you know how to play? Do you know how to play anything? What do you know? What can you play?
I can play a drum.
Okay. What's this?
This is an elephant.
Do you like elephant?
Yes, I do.
Okay. At the zoo, what animal do you like? Elephant. What else?
I like turtle.
Why do you like turtle?
Because turtle is so
Okay. What's this?
this is the bag.
What color is it?
It's blue.
Do you have a bag?
No, I don't.
Okay. Thank you. Let's have a look here. What's this?
This is the horse.
Okay. And how about this? What's this?
This is a robot.
Do you have a robot at home?
No, I don't.
What toys do you have at home?
I have a car.
Who do you play with?
I play with my brother.
Well, how old is your brother?
My brother is 16 years old.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.